See that? It's dark. It's nighttime. Many of you know, if you're parents, sometimes this is the only time we can get things done. I have to make cake pops for tomorrow. So that's what we're going to do. When you go through Starbucks, your kids are like, oh, I want a cake pop. I want a cake pop. This thing's like $4. Red velvet. Strawberry. Everybody's asleep in the house. Except Jerry. My wife's awake. But the kids are asleep. So this is stealthy cake pop making. We have to be very, very quiet. So we're going to make strawberry cake pops to start with. I'm going to preheat my oven, 350. That way she's ready to roll. It's simple with these. We're going to follow the recipe on the back to an extent. The water we're going to do milk, 3 eggs. This one's calling for some oil. I have a cup of oil. Fingers crossed I have some. Oil. This says here it's a half a cup. We're going to do a half a cup of oil instead of water. One cup. Right, got our 3 eggs. Uno, dos, tres. The secret ingredients. I seen this TikTok and it was like, I'm gonna make cake pops and this and that, but I'm not gonna show you my secret ingredient. I'm like, well, why make a video? Just saying. So sour cream, I'm gonna do about 1/3 a cup of a Dalp Daisy. Never in my life have I ever had issues with forks, like ever. And then you have kids, and they just vanish. Now spoons, if you said spoons, I'd say, yeah, okay, I get it. Because they literally ran in here the other day and got spoons to go dig holes outside. But where do the forks go? I don't know. We were talking about it earlier, and it just was one of those questions where I was like, maybe somebody else will know. I think they secretly throw them away. 2 10-inch cake cans, or 2 10-inch cake cans. So whenever we pull these out of the oven, we're going to put them right into the mixer, and we're going to mix them. The oven beeped. Time to put these in. Well, till they're golden brown, but they're pink. So how will we know? I don't know. We're gonna say, figure it out. Don't let a cat jump in the oven. Key. All right. Normally the foot method works. Not today. Oh, perfect. September. It's another perfect. Get out. That's what I thought. You cake. You dirty cake. Into it. Lock it in. Oh. Okay. Never mind. Silly goober. Here I was thinking it would be louder. And that was one of them their intrusive thoughts. Yeah, if I put it in a tin, probably. Left. Nope. I don't know how this works. We're gonna figure it out. Just gonna scoop. And bam. $43. 40 into the freezer. 10 to 15 minutes. And it's just that simple. Left in the freezer for a little while. It's about midnight. So I'm trying to be extra quiet. I got my melting chocolate done. So we're going to simply just dip our straw in there. Like that.